Getting started couldn't be easier. Simply book your free home consultation at a time that suits you best. We'll bring all the samples along with us. We'll go through every detail together, offer honest advice, and hopefully find you the perfect floor. Choosing the right flooring for your home can feel confusing and sometimes even stressful. You may be wondering which product is suitable, which color will work with your space, how much flooring you actually need, and what needs to happen before installation. These are all important questions, and they are exactly what our home consultation is designed to help with. That is why we offer a free home flooring consultation in the West Midlands. The process is simple. You fill in the consultation form on our website and tell us a little about your home, the rooms you would like to update, and the type of flooring you are considering. Once we receive your request, our team gets in touch to arrange a suitable time for the visit. When we come to your home, we do not just show you a few samples. We look at the space properly, measure the rooms accurately, and help you understand exactly how much flooring you need, so you can spend based on your actual requirements, not guesswork. We consider the way that you live in your home. If you have children, a dog or a cat, a busy hallway, a well-used kitchen, or you need something easy to clean, those details make a real difference when choosing the right floor. For kitchens, we look at moisture, spills, day-to-day cleaning, and whether a water-resistant option, such as LVT or SPC, may be more suitable. For living rooms and bedrooms, we consider natural light, furniture colors, warmth, comfort, texture, and how the flooring works with the rest of the home. We also explain what may be needed before installation, such as subfloor preparation, trims, transition between rooms, how the flooring will flow through different areas. Our aim is to make the whole process clear, simple, and less stressful. From the first consultation to product choice, purchase, preparation, and installation, we are with you from start to finish, giving you a complete guidance and installation package. If you're based in the West Midlands and are not sure which flooring is right for your home, book your free home consultation today. So this consultation went quite well. We'll go back, prep a quote, send that over, and we'll take it from there. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.